Welcome back students. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of colors in Figma. Brace yourself because by the end of this video, you will master the art of adding the perfect splash of color to your designs. Let's kick things off by understanding that less can often be more. When it comes to wireframe, while gray is a solid choice, we are here to explore the rainbow of possibilities. Are you ready? To work with color, we will select this giant rectangle. On the design panel, we got this option called fill. So in the fill, we can change our colors. This is for the light, this is for the dark, this is for the low contrast, and this is for the contrast. And we can also change the color from the slider, this color slider. As well as we can also increase or decrease the transparency of the color. Okay, so first I will choose industrial yellow color because I like that color a lot. And the hex code is for that, I guess ED something. Okay, EECA10 is the hex code for that color. After that, we have the transparency mode. From here you can make your color or element transparent. So let's say if I move this to background, where is the background? Okay. Okay, so this is the background. So as you can see, our color is kind of it is transparent. No, it is not kind of, it is transparent. So if I make this to 100%, okay, so currently 85. If I make it 100%, as you can see, it is invisible. Okay, so this is how you can make color transparent. So let me first send this to the back. Okay, so this is in the front now. Now next option is you can choose a color by using eyedropper tool. So this is the eyedropper tool, and as you can see on the top, we get this magnifying version. If I move this on the our pages, it will change. Like it is a zooming, it is like magnifying glass, and we can choose any color. Like let's say I want to color all of them. First let me select the select tool, and the shortcut is for the select tool is V, and I'm going to select all of this, and let's choose eyedropper tool, and for the shortcut is I. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this yellow color. So as you can see, we got yellow everywhere. Okay, so that's how you can use eyedropper tool. After that, we have hex code. It is a different types of codes for colors. Like we have RGB. RGB stands for red, green, blue. If you know the values of red, green, blue, and you can make any color. And after that, we have CSS. Like CSS is useful for like a front-end developer. Like when I was in the college, I used to code in CSS. So that time I used to need this kind of colors, like these types of codes. After that, we have HSL. Okay, so these are also the kind of like RGB. This is also values you can put and it can create color. After that, we have HSB. But most of the time we use hex code or RGB, or if you're a developer, you will use CSS. So for now, let's go with hex code. Okay, so from here, you can also increase or decrease the transparency. You can do the same thing over here. After that, we have document color. Okay, so document color stands for like color we used in our designs. Like we have industrial yellow, white, gray, black, and kind of gray. So this is the document color. If you click on this document color, you will get some options. Like this is for library colors. Like I created some multiple projects, so I can export those color in this project, and I can also use them. So for now, let's go with this one, because I know these topics are a bit complicated. Not complicated, but not easy to understand. So I will make separate or dedicated video on that. And there is also option called color styles. We can make our color palette, and we can use them in our design multiple times, so it will be easy. So stay tuned for that. There is a video coming up. So this is all about colors. You can also make your gradient color. If we choose this option, you can choose gradient color. For now, let's go with solid colors, and we will learn how to make gradient in future videos, so stay tuned for that. But remember one thing, when you are designing wireframe, use simple colors like gray or white or bluish. You might see in some wireframes the color are like really boring. So you have to make wireframe really boring. And there you have it folks, the basic of adding colors in Figma. Until then, happy coloring.